Hey everyone, it's Debbie with Mystery Quilts Anonymous again, and we are going to look at Quarantine Clue 4. We're going to look at this block today. It's a really simple block. I'm just going to give you a couple of tips and tricks along the way to make it go really quickly for you. The first thing is your half square triangles. We had a little tip earlier on to make these half square triangles using those thin little rulers. Take just a sec, hang on. Mine was at the sewing machine where I was drawing. Remember, with these, you can lay it corner to corner and draw your line on both sides, and then you have a stitching line for your half square triangles, and then that will make it go very quickly. Secondly, these 4 square units here, I'm going to have you do those in strip sets, and I've already sewn my strip sets together, so I was going to show you here how we cut these to make it a lot easier. So you have your light and your medium sewn together. Remember, I swapped my dark and my light, so these are my lights and these are my mediums. And we're going to lay them right sides together, but opposite each other. So you can see your 4 square already coming out. So we're going to lay those, and I put my fingers down through here and nest that seam together because they're both pressed toward the medium. So when I feel that, I can feel down through there and see that it is nesting properly. I'm going to straighten out my edge, and then I'm going to lay, I don't know if you can see this really well. See, I have a dotted line for my 1/2 inch, and I have a straight line for my inch. I like to lay that dotted line right on my line. That's going to keep it very square, and I need 3.5 inches. So I'm going to come out to my 3.5 inch line. I'm going to keep my dotted line on that 3.5 inch line, and I'm going to cut. This is ready to go. With my 1/4 inch seam allowance, you can see that that's going to be a beautiful 4 square. All right, just a quick layout of those. Now that you have your half square triangles, these I had as dark in the instructions, and you can keep these as your dark. I just decided to throw in my 4th color right there for a little bit of play. So that's my 4th color. Could be your dark, could be even a different color. You can put whatever you want in there. So let's lay that out. You want that one color to form a line, so that's a diagonal line across your block. So let's lay those out first. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we want our half square triangles to meet each other in the middle. So you want your mediums to meet. Remember, M&Ms, mediums meet. Okay, quick and easy, those go in there. And finally, your 4 squares that you just did, you want your mediums, again, to meet in the middle. Mediums meet. So your medium is going to make this line, and your darks are going to make this line. So once that's together, this is what we end up with. Our darks and our mediums. And it's really a simple block. I'm going to trim down now to 12.5 inches, which it shouldn't need, maybe a sliver trim, and that's all. And it will be good. Don't forget, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can ask via Facebook, you can ask YouTube, you can ask the website, you can ask anywhere. Just ask, and I will help you as best I can. Thank you. Have a great day.